Yo, what's going on, everybody? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Erik, and you're here with the investment channel. Guys, I got another penny stock here for you guys. Well, not just like another penny stock, because you guys know I don't really make a lot of videos on penny stocks, but you've been saying it, and I'm listening. Erik, you gotta bring something else to the channel. Well, I got you something else. So I finally bought another penny stock. And just like any penny stock, guys, this is very risky. You have to be careful with like how much money you planning on buying. If you're thinking of buying it, make sure you do your own due diligence. Because man, you can lose a lot of money by playing penny stocks. Okay. Now, but the reason why I'm bringing you guys this specific penny stock is because I like it. Listen, I get probably every day some people send me like at least 10 ticker signs like every day. I look at them. It doesn't interest me, and things like that. 'Cause I'm a sucker for technology, man. I love tech. Okay, and this is probably like one of the reasons why I invested into the penny stock. But also, you guys know how I am like very into autonomous and like V2X and things like that. So I got you something new. I'm very excited to talk to you guys about it. As you could probably tell, I bought 2,500 shares. I opened up a position yesterday, only about 100 shares, and today at market open, boom, I went ahead and I started buying after like doing a little bit more research, because usually that's what I do. I just open up a position and then I go and I read into the company and see if I really want to do more. To be honest, I wish I did. I bought more, and I told you yesterday, last night on my video that I was gonna make this video today, and sorry guys, it ran up like 30% today. I did not think it was gonna run 30% today. That's crazy. Okay, but I think it's gonna correct just a little bit. But I don't even. This is not even done. It's like chart wise, and like I don't think it's even done. But let's go into it because there's like some good things and there's like some bad things, and I want to point out both of them. And hopefully I can make this quicker because I have like so many tabs open, just so I can show you guys and talk to you guys about it. Because when I do my DD, I don't know about you guys, but when I do my DD, I'm all over the place. Okay, I'm all over the place. I'm looking at here, I'm looking at this, I'm looking at that. I'm trying to think about it. I'm trying to like think how's like the trend, how's the market doing, how's like people like energy towards like penny stocks now, like things like that. So let's go right into it and let's talk about it right now so you can find out what I'm talking about. Let's go. All right. Okay, so you probably can see it now. See if I can you see me better so I can control this stuff. Alrighty, so what is it? Ticker sign LKCO. That's Luokung Technology. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it incorrectly, but guys, this is what I'm talking. This is what I'm saying. I bought it at about. I think my average right now is right around 80 cents or 81 cents. I bought my first batch at like 72 cents. I just didn't think it was gonna go up this quickly. That's why I'm making this video, which is why, guys, think about it. That chat, or let me know that we can make that chat work. So let's see. So let's go back 5 years. I don't care about what happened before. Let's look back only 5 years. So $2.19 back in February 2016, and now we're only at about a dollar. Okay, so if you think about it, it just went down. It literally went down from like if you were to buy here at $2, then you'd still be down in your investment. Um, but let's see. It literally did nothing. This big jump right there, if I'm not mistaken, was like acquisitions and like different investments that went into the business, which we can get into in a second. And if I go back only so a year, right? A year it was at $1.08, and right now it's sitting at, it says 96 cents, but actually it's about a dollar and some change, like a dollar and like a penny or two. So it did nothing. Okay, it stayed flat. So now, all right, go ahead and tell me how many penny stocks now that are like in 1 year with all this movement that we had in the penny stock market that haven't really moved in a year, like let's say in 1 year time frame hasn't really moved. I understand it has gone down and up, but this is people just trading it. It's gonna get to a point where it's gonna break out just like every other penny stocks right now in the market, because that's the trend. That's what people are looking for. People are looking for penny stocks that may have a lot of potential in the future, even if the balance sheet or if the business itself as of right now it's not like proved or like proven, um, and they're jumping in after doing a little bit of DD, and there a lot of people are actually holding these stocks for the long term. We could see now even ARK, they getting into like some penny stocks, and because why? The investment, the return on investment is there. I understand it's risky, so if you're not ready to play this game, okay, which is penny stocks, you got to be ready to for the volatility. Okay, if you're not ready for the volatility, go ahead and invest in blue chips. Okay, in my opinion, I'm talking about myself right now. I'm not gonna talk about you guys. Um, Me, for example, I'm 25. I'm 25 years old. I can afford to take a loss. Okay, why? Because I have time. I have time to get back on my feet. Okay, let's say if I take a $5,000 loss, you know what I have? I have time to work, to exchange my time for money, and to get that back, even if I don't get it back into like investments, either like doing a job, getting side hustles and different things like that. So right now is the time for me to take risks. Now, obviously, if I was 65, 75, it's I wouldn't be playing things like this. Okay, now with that out of the way, let's see what's Luokung Technology Corporation, because this might be I'm not gonna put it on a title, obviously not, but this might be at least a 5x stock, in my opinion. Okay, so I'm gonna hold it because Corona did stop a lot of things in the revenue department. Okay, for this company, and that's what I believe. Why this stock still hasn't really moved is because, let's be honest, I haven't showed you just yet, but the balance sheet is trash, straight trash. Um, let's go in right there. So what is it? So Luokung Technology is one of the global leading spatial temporal big data processing technology companies and a leading interactive location-based services based in China. Okay. The core business brands of the company are Luokung and Super Engine. The company mainly provides temporal big data PAS, SaaS, and DaaS intelligence services based on its self-developed patent technology, which can be applied in mobile internet, LBS, internet traveling, intelligent transportation, automatic drive, smart city, intelligent Internet of Things, natural resources exploration and monitoring, and so on. It's so freaking broad, bro. All right. So these services are integrated intelligent computing and application services for spatial temporal data, which including but not limited to satellite and UAV remote sensing data, image data, HD map, 2D and 3D map, real-time trajectory, Internet of Things, industrial streaming data. For more information, please go check it. They have this amazing technology where they can like transfer big amount of data in like seconds. Okay, which is like it with 5G and everything getting better and better, this is when they're gonna start shining. Okay, so let's look at the balance sheet real quick. Okay, this is the bad part of it, which is I believe is why this company is so low right now, and we're jumping all around because guys, I'm gonna go like how I kind of do things, and I'm not a very organized person, unfortunately, and I know what it is. I just know myself. But let's go in and check this real quick. The balance sheet, it's trash again. It's very trash. We can see right there, a lot of money lost right there. Uh, it's insane operating income, revenue has like decreased, and things like that. It's not even worth it for me to go in there because there's so many red flags, and that's where the risk is. We're betting that they're gonna be able to turn around this, and I'm gonna tell you why I believe they're gonna turn around it, and one of the reasons why is because these type of companies kind of like Foresight, they were just like way ahead of their time. Okay, people didn't need all this stuff back then. We were watching YouTube of 420 or 460p or whatever back like 5 years ago. Why would people care about Internet of Things, autonomous driving, and transferring 1 terabyte in like second? No, nobody cared. So there wasn't a demand, and that's gonna change pretty soon. This is a PowerPoint that I found, and I feel like it explains amazingly. Only like 17 pages. It explains and gives us a very good idea of what this company does. Okay, So their mission: we are devoted to providing the most efficient and most dependable spatial temporal data services worldwide. Okay. So they've had a few acquisitions. So Super Engine acquired them in 2018 and bought Brain in May 2019. Okay. Thousands of patents. China leading smart content solution provider. Acquisition of EMG August 2019. Man, this is amazing. Look at the business integration: smart transportation, autonomous driving with HD map, remote sensing, IOTA. I said IOTA, IoT, which is Internet of Things, and smart cities. Like we were talking about that with like Toyota trying to do that in Japan, and and Foresight's already got involved in Japan with on the eyesight, the the, the iNet portion of it, and this company now is in China. And in China, I know that Foresight is kind of working. Even it hasn't come out with the company yet, but now Foresight is on like on the quad side area. Now this one is now all around. It's so many things like the V2X. I'll show you on the next slide because it's so amazing. Well, everywhere they can be. So this is the Luokung Smart Digital Base. Look at this. Aerospace, mobile internet, smart cities, autonomous driving, smart water resources, smart logistics, smart transportations, V2X, smart agriculture. Guys, it's such a amazing place to be right now. At these prices, I believe there is a lot of growth, but remember, their balance sheet is trash. So if you're gonna make the decision of buying into this company, you gotta know what you're getting into. I'm using 3% of my about 3% of my portfolio or less to hold this. Okay, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna. I'm planning on giving them the entire 2021. Corona's gonna get better. Hopefully a little bit better. And then let's see. I'm gonna say by 2022, 2023, that's gonna be my hold. Um, Unless it jumps 10x. Okay, then I might sell a little bit. A lot, at least half. Now let's look at the recent finances. This is back in 2019, obviously. So $12 million at $6 per share. Obviously, they're down right now in the position, but they know where the investment into. Um, excuse me. When companies invest in other companies, they probably didn't expect a return right away. Okay, we got to now see $42 million. Okay, 42.5 at a $1.95. That's still below what we're getting. We're gonna get it right now. Um, and they have a partner right there with Gilly, which is right there. They make EVs, guys. They already partnered with this company in China that does this. And to be honest, this kind of looks like an X6. What do you guys think? Just I mean I know it has nothing to do with the what we're talking about, but that car literally looks like a X6 BMW. Tell me I'm not right. Okay, let's go back to the PowerPoint. Um, but look at that. Look at the business partnership. So I highlighted this one because they are strategic priority partner in the smart city, smart logistics, V2X, Internet of Things, ADS, which is we know about that, autonomous driving, and HD map in China. Crazy. Okay, so they are partnered with this company that does that. We're talking about Gilly, which is a car manufacturer. There's so many other companies right there. Leading smart digital based technology. Look at that. Super engine, 1,000 times more efficient than competing technologies. It's just like think about a Google Maps on like steroids with like video, weather they all this stuff. I can link the this PowerPoint in the description so you can go ahead and read it. Smart city projects. We know so the one thing that I want to highlight here so you can see it because this affected them back in 2020, which is last year because of Corona. So the project currently being negotiated, including Hainan and Hailang. Guys, I'm sorry if I mispronounced this, which will bring considerable revenue to the company from 2020. Corona 2020, unfortunately. Um, but now 2021, 2022 is the catch up time. Smart transportation. Guys, I don't. There's so many good things about this company that I really like. Okay, Um, this is the team. I wanted to show you guys this one. So here's the president. He served as director of national 863 smart city projects. Okay, so he knows what he's doing. Okay, look at the CTO. Worked at Microsoft, Amazon, Google. Over 15 years of experience in the leading big data analyst technology teams. Now, the CFO, pretty good extensive experience in like financial management. The balance sheet is looking rough though, but still, I'm gonna give him a chance. Again, 3% of my portfolio, 2,500 shares. And when I say portfolio, I'm talking about one of my portfolio. I'm talking about Robinhood portfolio. So yeah, and look at this. You know what sold me right there? Audi. It sold me right there. Audi. You guys already know. I got a low QRA. Kind of looks like the color. It's kind of like my color, but this is kind of glossy. Mine's like a satin gray. Um, but yeah. So key points to take home: superior technology, widely applicable, strong backing from Geely and other notable entities, and wide industry connections, on ramp to explosive growth, bruh. Yo, I'm not gonna. Okay, no more. Okay, that's a little bit. So yeah, I think that's it. I'm not gonna really look into more on this end. Now, let's go into the charts. Okay, so I'm into the charts now. We can see right here it's not fully updated, but it says like 96 cents. This one is for, let me go for what? 3 years. Looking back 3 years, I've done basically, I mean, besides this big jump right there, it has really done nothing. Okay, as low as that 34 cents. We're still like, I think the highest was like within the last 52 weeks is 140, so it's right in the middle, kind of like in the middle. Okay, if you like were to get it at like 70 cents or so. Um, let's look back 180 days. Guess what I'm looking at starting right there is that trend. Okay, going up. This is what I'm looking at. Okay, so expect. Just wait. Don't go like crazy if you're gonna buy it. Don't go crazy and start open up a position. Okay, see if it's gonna correct, and if it can correct around the 80ish area or 70, which is what I'm hoping to go back to 80 to the 80, and I'm probably gonna load up another like 1,000 to 2,000 shares, if possible. But this is something that we can see $2 very easily, in my opinion. Let me see if I can get closer to it. Yo, my battery just died. I know. I don't. All right, let's go. I think I know where I was. So basically, what I was saying is, yeah, just see if it got if we can keep going. If not, just wait for the pullback. Wait for the pullback, and if you want to get in, you can get in like in the 70s or 80s. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. And also, I just wanted to say another big thank you to Alexander from Tactical Investing. I'm gonna leave this link in my description box because he mentioned me again on his channel, which is amazing. But guys, that's pretty much it. Just be careful and do your own diligence. If you're new here, go ahead and please subscribe. Hit that like button. Comment. Let me know that you're here. Do you new here? Let me know, guys. But I think that was it. Because well, the battery actually died, so I really don't know what happened. But I'll figure it out when I start editing right now. But yeah, guys. Thanks so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.